Hey, welcome to Diversity in Cinema Academy. I'm Theta Catalan, and this is the place to be if you're an independent filmmaker, video creator, and screenwriter. So I have been sharing tips all month about filmmaking, and this series is 24 filmmaking tips till Christmas. So anyway, this video is going to be all about having animals on film. So my first tip is, if you want to have a wonderful Christmas movie that has a pup in it or whatever kind of animal, then go read the SAG regulations. That's the Screen Actor Guild's regulations on having animals on set, because there are some rules that you need to follow. One of them being is that you need to have an animal wrangler on set. And obviously if you have one that is going to be doing stuff and stunts and all that kind of stuff, then you need a trainer as well on that set. So that is something that you need to consider. And then you need to follow the rules of safety on keeping those animals safe on set. You also need to contact the American Humane Association like early in pre-production, so you can get all the guidelines, so you can also get that certification that say that no animals were harmed during filming. So that is just something that you need to think about. And obviously that stuff costs more money when you need trainers, you need, you know, a wrangler or whatever on set. So if you want a film like that you have an animal. See, I got a cute little doggy that I'm gonna add to my little village. I started creating this village on my last video for locations. So anyway, but I'm gonna have another little doggy too. So I'm gonna add them to my village, and then I'm gonna put some snow. But anyway, so like I was saying, contact the American Humane Association, so you can do the right things when you have an animal on set, so you won't be getting any calls about you harm some animals. Okay, so those are my tips to you about having animals on set. So be smart, guys, and do the right thing, and make sure that you follow all the instructions. And especially, you know, if you got a SAG film and you decide to put animals in it, it ain't no ifs, ands, or buts about it. You have to do it. And another thing that they do is read your script. So they want to know, like, if you have animals and stunts and all that, and once they see an animal is in there, they're gonna start asking you questions, and have you did this, have you did that, da 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 da. So make sure you do the right thing. All right, so that is it for my tips about animals. The next video that I'm going to be doing is about stunts and doing stunts in your productions. So stay tuned, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for tuning in to my 24 filmmaking tips till Christmas. If you are enjoying this series, be sure to visit Diversity in Cinema Academy's website, where they have a ton of resources there. If you're interested in leveling up your film business, you can check out my online course,